Hi guys! For today, let's play with... I don't know how to play. Ate, you wanna play? So I'm gonna play with my ate, my cousin.
Hi guys.
Yeah, this is her. What do you wanna play? Yeah, let's go with this one. Tower. A tower. Or tower of heaven. This one. This is one. Okay. We're gonna play this game. Use this one, by the way. That one. Okay. Let's go. Ate, come here.
What's the lock for?
Here. What's the lock? It's like you need like shift because it's much easier. Like the lock is much easier. Okay, come with me. You wanna design your outfit for a while? Come with me. Come with me, ate. Come with me, ate. Ate, come here. Just jump.
Let's go.
Wow. Oh my gosh, you're so cute, cat.
Oh, I
Let's just go until there, okay? Because the video will not be okay. It's okay. You got this.
It's a cat.
It's so cute.
I hate you.
Why?
Fall.
Okay, I also fall.
This is a hard level, you know.
This is super easy. Super easy. My app is still this one because she is selling something. So guys, sometimes girl, I died. Yeah, she went somewhere. Yeah, I'm not gonna wait her. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna help her. Help me, help me. Oh my god. Guys, I'm scared. I don't wanna get. At least there's like a secret base here going. I sorry, but I didn't tell. I forgot to kasta. I didn't fall. I fall. Let's make this video until 8 minutes. Okay? I don't know if we actually do that. Ate, just be careful. It's okay. Come here. Okay, come. I'm gonna show you a magic trick. Wow. Come here, ate. Here na. Oh my gosh. I'm not cheating. I'm done. I'm done. It's done. Oh my god. Just be careful. Don't. Apo, you almost hold me down. No. Okay. Leave what time? Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, bro.
Why?
It was fun though. I don't know how funny it is.
Why?
Like I'm even jumping because of...
Wait for me, ate. I'm just gonna go cheat.
Where are you?
I fall.
Yeah, do that!
Why? It's not easy. Okay, there.
It is easy.
Yeah, it's easy. It's easy. I'm gonna use this. Yes. No, I don't wanna fall. I'm just gonna... Ate, wait for me. I don't wanna fall. I have a magic trick. I don't know. Let's go. Where are you?
So cute.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
It's about to rain.
It's not about the rain. I mean here inside.
Oh
My
my god.
gosh. Ate. I made it. I fall. Oh my god. I hope this is 8 minutes already. This is so cute. I like it. Ate, I'm about to fall. I'm not using it anymore. I'm scared. I don't wanna fall. Missing face conta. Oh my gosh, I want my face cam. I need my face. I'm scared. I don't wanna fall. Okay, I did it. Okay. What the? What's that, guys? Is that Matilda or Tito? Stop, you ignored me. Okay, at I pass by you. I'm not waiting. I don't wanna go. I'm so easy. It's kinda easy. Let's finish until there, like the little circles. Guys, I die again. I hate this game so much, but I cannot end it. I need my face cam. Guys, I need my face cam. I need my face cam for a while. Wait, guys.
This is so hard.
It's super easy. If you're a
It's
gamer.
scary.
No, it's not. It's very cute.
Okay.
Wait for me, ate. Let's go until the balls.
You said it's easy.
Scary. Oh my gosh, you're so adayo.
I know, right? It's
Okay.
so cool.
Oh
Far.
my god, oh my god. That was
Ah!
That's why I don't.
That was close.
Why?
You almost fall.
Oh my gosh, I don't wanna die in this spot. No, no, no. No, okay then. No, I don't wanna die. No! No, I'm just gonna go fast. I don't care anymore. I fight. I'm leaving.
Okay.
Okay, fine, guys. Wait, let's do something. Go. Bye, guys.